Previously on Outside Watch, Paula and Roy joined the crew. And we started exploring the islands in the Seychelles.
Well, if you keep your eyes closed, you're going to miss the sunrise.
No.
We'll do some light stretching.
Yeah, I do want to do yoga.
Paula and I are going to do morning yoga. We're going to have a sunrise soon.
Very peaceful.
So we're gonna head over to a different spot today. Roy and I just went and checked it out in the dinghy because we weren't sure how it was gonna be. But on the backside of this island here, there's a little deserted beach that looks really cool. But the only problem is the swell is wrapping around from the southeast into the bay. It's kind of big. So what we're gonna have to do is set the anchor in the bow into the waves, into the swell, and then we'll set a stern anchor to keep us pointed into it. And won't be so rolly, but it looks awesome. So quite possibly gonna have beach karaoke tonight on a deserted beach, or a beach barbecue.
Wow. Me rocking and rolling.
Alright, Jen, drop 30. And you just be on deck then, and once we get far enough out, I'll tell you to start taking up the slack. Right?
Okay, just put it in. Take it off? Yeah. Sorry.
Tied off. Good, anchor set. Pulling in the slack. Chris is ramming us. Vroom, 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 vroom. Paula and I are standing around, being deck candy, while the guys do all the hard work. Cool. This is quite comfortable.
So just in case you missed that, the plan was to drop the main anchor off the bow as normal. Then I would jump in the dinghy and drop off our stern anchor, somewhere off to the right. Then I'll use a dinghy to push the boat further into position, meanwhile Roy would take up the slack on the stern anchor. This would keep the boat pointed into the swell and make for a comfortable anchorage. And it was totally worth the extra effort, as this place was paradise. The next day we decided to move around to the picture-perfect island of the Digue. The only problem with the Digue is that the anchorage this time of year is not suitable with all the swell. So the best option is to go into the small harbor there. The only problem is that it's a complicated med mooring. A med mooring is common in the Mediterranean, and it involves dropping your main anchor, backing up to a wall or quay, and then throwing up 2 stern lines. In this case, we'd be tying 2 stern lines to the trees that line the shore. Coordinating all this is, well, it's difficult.
So we're putting Roy in the dinghy. He's gonna get the lines and we're gonna go here. 3 meters deep, apparently. Get tight! Thanks, Roy.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you.
After that, I think we need a drink.
I need a cold beer or something else.
Do we have beers in the freezer?
Yes.
Did we do that? Shit, really? We have no beers. Cold.
Good job on the dinghy. Like, we definitely
Needed that.
needed someone in the dinghy.
Nice.
It was really 4%.
The guy was like waving at us, come in.
Yeah. What do you expect us to do, Danny?
God's
Just,
gift to sailing.
Sailing, exactly. Yeah.
Good job, guys.
When everything goes to shit, I jump in to save you guys.
That's why we invited you along.
Exactly.
Just to get us out of trouble. It's nice. 1 minute we're having kind of a hairy medmore, and the next minute we're having Bahraini beef, octopus, truffle cheese, salami, cassava chips, and peanut brittle. And sabrew.
And Zabru.
The only thing that didn't change are these great people.
Oh, I'm gonna play this guy.
Okay. Oh good, we wear bikes. Just as we're talking about being God's gift to drunk cycling. Chris, make sure they're good bikes. I don't want one with a crummy seat.
Street traffic in the Digue.
Feeling excited to go up the mast?
Not really.
Well, you have the dream team
Dream
cranking
team.
you up.
Winching you up there.
You're getting winched by some wenches.
We had already sailed Skylark some 3,500 nautical miles across the Indian Ocean, roughly about halfway. Our upcoming passages would take us through some of the most treacherous parts of the Indian Ocean, north of Madagascar and down the Mozambique Channel to South Africa. Because of this, we really needed to make sure that our rigging was in perfect condition. So today I was going up the mast to make sure that everything still looked shipshape.
Nice bud.
It's like a credit already.
Yes. Getting tired? It's almost up. Stop. I think you're all done now.
So the workouts for the morning.
Yes. Is it both arms or just one arm?
Both.
Good.
So just checking the rigging here at the top of the mast. No cracks in the pins. The swages all look good. No broken strands. I would say everything looks pretty decent up here. Way up here. It's a nice view up here.
Let's leave him a little bit longer.
Yeah, let him look over there. Yeah. Let him stay there.
Maybe I'll make a bunch of demands. He only can come down for certain things.
Now it's a good time to make a deal.
Yes. Here you go. You ready?
Nice.
Good job, guys. Thanks for not leaving me up there.
You're like, bye, we're going to the beach.
Yeah. We can check.
Wait.
Wait. Next time on Outside Watch, we experience some amazing hikes on Mahe and start preparing Skylark for our passages south to Mayotte and South Africa.
Great guys. What